Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of effective money-saving strategies. Whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a big purchase, or simply craving more financial stability, these tips will accelerate your savings growth. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear savings goals. Begin by defining your savings objectives. Are you saving for a vacation, a car, or your future? Specific goals give you clarity and motivation to persist. Write them down, including the amount needed and your deadline to achieve it. Step 2. Create a budget. A budget is the backbone of any successful savings plan. Document all your income and expenses to see where your money goes. Look for areas to cut back, like dining out, unused subscriptions, or switching to cheaper options. Set a fixed amount to save each month and treat it as a non-negotiable expense. Step 3. Set up automatic transfers. Simplify your saving by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Choose a set amount to move right after payday to prevent spending temptation. This fosters consistency and ease in your saving habits. Step 4. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Small, unnecessary expenses can add up swiftly. Consider skipping that daily takeout coffee, preparing meals in advance, or implementing a waiting period before impulse buys. You'll be surprised how much you save by being mindful. Step 5. Look for ways to generate extra income. Boost your savings by generating additional income. Start a side hustle, take on freelance projects, or sell items you no longer need. Direct this extra income towards your savings, speeding up your progress. And there you have it, the blueprint for effective money saving. By setting clear goals, managing expenses, and automating your savings, watch your savings soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and share your savings milestones in the comments. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.